Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use both your Joy-Cons together as one full controller again. If you've been playing multiplayer and now want to switch back to original single controller setup, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First of all, go behind your Nintendo Switch. Then slide both Joy-Cons off the sides of your Switch by holding the small round button on the back and sliding them upward. Make sure they're both charged and powered on. Now tap on the Switch home menu, scroll down to the controller's icon, and tap on it. Then select Change Grip/Order. After that, press L plus R on both Joy-Cons at the same time. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times. The system will combine them into one controller. Now you'll see both Joy-Cons appear as a single player slot on screen. Once the Joy-Cons are paired as one controller, press A to confirm. You're now ready to use them like a full controller for any supported game. And that's it. Now you know how to use 2 Joy-Cons as one controller on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy Switch tips. Thanks so much for watching.